You're welcome to Health Nuggets videos. I want you to like the page. I want you to subscribe to this page. I want you to follow us for your health nuggets and health tips. Today we'll be talking about what we call general tests. Ordinarily, there's nothing like general tests. If you want to check your whole body, there are aspects of your body you could be checking. One is sexually transmitted infections. When we talk about sexually transmitted infections, we talk about HIV, we talk about syphilis, we talk about gonorrhea, we talk about herpes simplex virus, we talk about lymphogranuloma venereum, we talk about human papilloma virus, and to a lesser extent hepatitis A, B, C, which is oral-anal, in source of infection. We could talk about giardiasis, we could talk about scabies. These are all sexually transmitted. So when we talk about when a client comes into a laboratory and speaks about general body or general tests, it is not malaria and typhoid. They are not general tests. So you could also be checking your complete metabolic panel tests, where you're looking at how the body metabolizes the food we eat and gives us energy, because tests from these things will also give us a clue of what is happening in the body. One of them is sugar. So when we have a fasting blood sugar that is high, so it gives you a clue of type 2 diabetes. But if you have a high blood level at any time, whether 2 hours after food or whether when the person is fasting, it gives a clue of type 1 diabetes. You have calcium. Calcium, is stored in the bones. It helps in heart activity, muscle activity, and nerve activity. You have bilirubin, which is a waste product of blood degradation or breaking of red blood cells. So, and it is handled by the liver. So these tests is part of liver function, because if bilirubin, for instance, rises in the body, it's okay. The liver is not able to handle it. So, another metabolic panels like creatinine. Creatinine is a byproduct of muscle breakdown, muscle activity. It is cleared or handled by kidney. When the kidney is not able to handle it, that's when now say, okay, maybe the kidney is failing or something is wrong. Same thing with urea. It's a waste product. It is used to measure kidney function. Albumin helps us to carry important substances around the body. When the albumin level, and even maintain balance in the body, water balance in the body. So when albumin is low or high, we know that there is an issue in the body. It is produced in the liver. So when you walk into a laboratory and you ask inquire, I want to do a general test, you should be able to know what you're dealing with. Sometimes you should ask, there are tumor markers that you could want to do. So when you're checking your body, let's say annually or quarterly, there are tests you could walk in to say, I want to check myself. Like they'll tell you that you should do HIV test after every 3 months. So every quarter you could do tumor markers. There are tumor markers. If you're a woman, you have a test CA125 for ovarian tumor or cancer. You have CA15-3 for breast, CA27-29 for breast, CA19-9 for colorectal cancer, CA50 for gastrointestinal cancers, CA72 for gastrointestinal cancer, and you also have PSA used to monitor the prostate in men. So these are things you could walk in to do. So when you say general test, it should be meaning you want to check your body general test. So when it relies to laboratory. So these are facts you need to know. General test is not malaria and typhoid, and they don't come cheap. They're supposed to be something like the sexually transmitted infection. When you start going into testing gonorrhea, syphilis, for instance, you have VDRL, which is the cheap, very affordable one, but there are also higher tests for syphilis. You even have the PCR level. Therefore, when you walk into a laboratory, you should be well informed when you say, I want to do a general test. I would understand that what you want to do is to check your whole body from your head to your feet to know what is happening. And complete metabolic panel is the test panel you should be doing to know how your body handles sugar, to know how your body handles waste products, to check if your vital organs are working optimally. So thank you for being here with us in today's Health Nuggets. I hope that we've been able to inform you. Subscribe to this page, share this video wide as much as you can. Thank you.